1,000 waters to be swam. There are 1,000 mountains to be crossed. There are 1,000 crosses to be borne. Our shoulders are not strong. Our sinews are grown flaccid with dependence, smug with ease under another's wing. Rest not in peace. Not yet, Rizal, not yet. The land has need of young blood, and what younger than your own. Forever spilled in the great name of freedom, forever oblate on the altar of the free. Not you alone, Rizal. O souls and spirit of the martyred brave, arise, arise and score the land. Shed once again your willing blood. Use the vibrant red into our dim anemic veins, until we pick up our Promethean tools and storm out of the deepness matrix of your faith in us, and on the silent, dim cliffs of freedom, carve all of our time or your memorial dream, until our people, seeing or become like the Malawi, firm, resilient, staunch, rising on the hillside unafraid, strong in its own vibrant. Yes, like the Malawi, hour will come. One of the silent dreaming, from the 7,000-fold silent, we shall emerge saying, we are Filipinos and no longer be ashamed. Sleep not in peace, the dream is not yet fully carved. Hard the word, but harder the blows. Yet the Malawi will stand, yet the Malawi monument will rise, and God's walk on brown legs.